So it's amazing day, amazing conference. So let's a little summarize today conference. What was interesting? Yeah.
Yeah, gosh, that's a tougher question than you think because like being working to put this together over 6 months, everything's interesting. That's why it's on the menu. So it's hard to say, but I mean, I think it's really interesting to see the dynamic, right? First, there's a big bridge we're trying to build, right? From the infrastructure side all the way to the applied side. So then the enterprise really understands what's going on with infrastructure. So that's one. Two is, will the people like it? Is it too big of a bridge where people won't understand we're going to lose people, right? It felt, so my biggest surprise today that it felt like it was the right bridge. And we've gotten a lot of feedback and comment. People appreciated the structure of the program. So we're very grateful for that.
Yeah, to connect large enterprise data centers with some startups and the community. It's amazing bridge and something new because we very often see some specific DevOps conference, MLOps conference, or some AI conference, but not the bridge which can help us to see and to speak together.
Well, so what? So we have really strong opinions about this. One is a lot of event organizers, I think, organizes events, right? And I think maybe that's the wrong way to start. And what I mean is we should be organizing a thought and energy. There are certain people that we can get to a table and we can have a really good conversation. You know who those are for you, and you know how to put that together if you really want to have a good table, right? But it's not because you wanted to be a dinner planner. Do you see what I mean? So I feel like organizing that and really understanding the tech. And we have our opinions. They're strong opinions. We think the puck is going this way instead of that way, and therefore we structure conversations around that. And if we were just doing this by alone, we would be just a crazy guy, right? But there's a lot of folks, there's a lot of people, that speakers especially, that agree to be part of this. They add to that song, the same song. We think that the puck is going this way too, right? And we want to share this knowledge in typical Silicon Valley fashion.
Yeah, and I know that you will continue to organize different conferences, and I know that you have a good list of some events. Maybe you can share something what's going on in near future.
Sure, yeah. It's between, so the next AI Infra Summit is going to be in October. We're shooting for October 29th in San Francisco. I hope that we can continue our collaboration. We're going to make this studio even bigger and better, right? It seemed like everybody really enjoyed this, so this was amazing. Between now and then, we have a lot of other things going on. We're doing private CXO roadshows, and that's with our friends at Supermicro and NVIDIA and AMD. So we'll be in Atlanta in 2 weeks, in May 15. We'll be in Chicago in September. And I have a feeling we have a couple partners here that are looking at us to hire us. We might be on the road every month for after August actually, which is great. Yes. And because once we do that, we open up new markets, we meet new people, but we have the same message. It's going to be around AI transformation, enterprise, right? And then so we're really fortunate to be in this position to lead that conversation.
Yeah. Today, discussing with startups, I asked them the question about fails. What fails was today on the conference?
So we have these cubes that we were supposed to set up. I think they're supposed to be back here. That was a fail. And then, we're missing some pieces for that. But you know what? I mean...
Yeah, because we all speak about success story. And I tried to speak today with startups about other side, about what can go not in the right way.
You know who could tell you about that? Jessica could probably tell you.
Okay.
And if we pretend that it's like a secret, you see, like he's trying to ignore it. But she's Jessica, Nikki, Logan, the team. We all shared the same allergies to messiness and disorganization. So for the most part, I'm so fortunate that they manage all of that stuff.
That's good.
I can't tell you there's a fail, and I'm not trying to. There was speed bumps. Yeah, there's speed bumps for sure, but I wouldn't say there's anything that's a fail.
Yeah, it's cool that the conference was as you expected and all was good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you know, it's I was just sharing this with somebody else. It's like you imagine a one-day amusement park with roller coasters, with giraffes, with zoos, whatever, right? And this is what this is. This is a one-day amusement park. And then when things come out of the box, sometimes you can't control it, you know. And then but today I think I'm very grateful that things rolled out the way that we thought, and maybe a little bit better.
Cool. So we will finalize our day today and go to our core part in historical museum.
Yeah, no, we're gonna go to this after party.
Yeah.
Dmytro, I want to say Data Phoenix has been awesome. We really enjoy partnering with you
thank
guys.
for,
We are gonna do this Expo Roundtable again, right?
We will be happy.
And I hope to continue this partnership with you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.